Temple University Ambler Aquaponics is a student group that is also comprised of faculty, staff, and volunteers, and is located on Temple University's Ambler campus in Ambler, Pennsylvania. Our mission is to create awareness of aquaponics and its use in sustainable food growth while educating our students and community through engaging outreach programs.
Hi, I'm Mike Bovis, standing at the entrance to the Aquaponics Research Center, located in West Hall. Come on in, I'll show you around.
The aquaponic gardening community defines aquaponics as the cultivation of fish and plants together in a constructed, recirculating ecosystem, utilizing natural bacterial cycles to convert fish waste to plant nutrients. This is an environmentally friendly, natural food growing method that harnesses the best attributes of aquaculture and hydroponics without the need to discard any water or filtrate or add chemical fertilizers. So what we have here is a basic aquaponics system. This is our tank. You can see there's fish in here. We're using tilapia right now, and we have two little goldfish in there as well. We have both grown tilapia, the bigger ones in the back, and you can see some of the smaller ones that are our small fry, and they're all growing together in this tank. So as you can see, we have water draining through these pipes going into the tank, and that water is coming from our pump system. And this pump is what takes the water out of the tank, and it hits a valve system. And basically this valve system is the way that the water gets distributed to each of our grow beds. And inside of our grow beds we have this porous pH neutral. All of this water is nutrient-rich water. So it's coming through, it's sitting in this stone, and the plant's roots and the water, and the rocks are taking these nutrients, and they'll sit inside the grow bed even after the water comes back down through and goes back into the tank. Because we're inside, a grow light on a timer to give our plants the light that they need to grow.
So one of the ongoing tests that we have to do for our aquaponics setup is to test the quality of the water. So as we go through this process, we have to continuously do water tests for different chemicals. Some of the things we have to test on an ongoing basis are things like pH, and we also want to test for ammonia. Here are two sample tests. One test I took recently was for ammonia levels and nitrate levels. So according to our chart, we do have nitrates that are being created. We're around between 5 and 10 parts per million. So we are producing food, but we'd like it to be a little higher, so we're going to keep testing that. The other test we took, ammonia, and we're about between 0.50 and 1.0 parts per million. We don't want to get too far beyond that. So we're hoping as we increase our nitrates, the ammonia content will decrease. And pH is also a major factor. The lower the pH, the lower the production of ammonia, which is why we tend to favor a slightly acidic pH.
My name is Kyle Besa. I am a member of the Ambler Aquaponics Association. I'm here to tell you a little bit about our gutter projects that we're currently working on. Basically, the fish produce waste, which we then pump up through this gutter system where we're going to be planting a bunch of herbs. And there are microbes and bacteria within the porous rock that I spoke about before that are going to transfer that fish poop, as it were, into fertilizer for the plants. In the meantime, the porous rock is going to filter the water so that by the time it pours back into the fish tank or barrel, it'll be cleaning it.
Hi, I'm Jiting Deng, VP of Temple Ambler Aquaponics. Go like us on Facebook page or feel free to email us. You will get more information about it, and we're also going to help you to set up your own system at home.